Welcome, editors. Thank you guys for 12,000 views and 100 like in my short. I am noticing that you are not subscribing to my channel. First of all, subscribe my channel. IT exactly like After Effects edit in Alightmotion. If this video hit 30 likes, I will drop this preset for you all. So, without wasting any time, let's GET into the video. Want this?
Huh.